model 1. Done. Take a screenshot of this. This is also perfect, right? All the screenshots are done. Now I will be moving over to case studies where I will explain how exactly I've taken all of those trades, Nifty, Bank Nifty, what's the PNL, all of that stuff. Quickly I'll skim through those case studies so that you get an idea on how are they to be executed in real market conditions, right? So now let's get started with case studies, and you're going to learn a lot of things. So I'll just explain what is going to be the structure of case studies. So I'm going to show you a lot of case studies where you will understand how to use these strategies and how are these strategies actually executed in the live markets. And I'm going to be showing you executions also, the trade ideation also. Since there are a lot of case studies, I'm going to be going and skimming through them so that you just get an idea on the versatility of different assets on which this strategy can be applied: options, futures, commodities, index trading, intraday trading, swing trading, positional trading, all of that stuff, right? So this is an example. The first one is Nifty 50, and due to this image you're unable to see the order block, but I'll just show you how exactly it works. So there was an order block right here in which the price tapped in, and as soon as the price tapped in, we took an entry. And as I had told you that above every high there is a lot of liquidity, and that's exactly what our target was, just above this high. As you can see, the price has skimmed through it and then dumped back down, and that's exactly where we sold. So as soon as the price came here, this is exactly where the we sold and booked profits in this particular trade. And this is a Nifty 50 trade on a 5-minute time frame. Now moving on, this is another Nifty 50 trade where we took advantage of the consolidation, and we took this trade. And just understand that you need to get in before these big candles are actually created into the markets. That's the whole point of institutional trading. Coming, the next one is Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. Now this is a very, very big move that we captured. And understand that trading is not as simple or as direct it looks like, right? So we took our entries over here, and then the price went very near or very close to the target, I think only 7 or 8 points, and then it just blasted through the roof, and you can just see the big move that came in. I think the premiums almost doubled up. In Bank Nifty it was a much simpler, straightforward kind of a move, but this is the power of institutional trading, and this is all done on a 5-minute time frame, right? Next up, you've got another Nifty 50 trade, and you can clearly see that we were taking advantage of the liquidations that were happening over here. So I'll just change the color. The liquidation that were happening over here, everyone was looking for shorts because of this big down move. But since you are an institutional trader, you understand how exactly things work, and we took advantage of that and captured this entire move, as you can see on your screen, right? This is again in Nifty puts. This is Tech Mahindra, and we again took advantage of Tech Mahindra entering into like an order block region. As soon as it tapped into this area, we took the trade, and you can see the move that came in, and this trade was taken in the future segment. Again, this is a 15-minute time frame, so if you can see this or not, I don't know. This is a 15-minute time frame on which I have executed. So a lot of people are asking what time frames at which you have to execute it. This works on every single time frame. My personal favorites are 5-minute, 15-minute, and the hourly. This is a short trade in the Nifty 50 index, and we took it the entire move we rolled, and these are the executions of the same. You can have a look at that with the verified PNL. This is again a Bank Nifty trade that we took advantage of. You can see the body of the last red candle, the big move. This is in call options in Bank Nifty. This is Dalmia Bharat. This is a range break trade, and this is another strategy that we usually cover. Right now you don't probably know about it, but this is like a simple range break strategy, but we use institutional footprints to identify whether this stock will actually move or not. This is Dalmia Bharat, taken in the month of May. This is Deepak Nitrite, again entering before those big candles and before the big move was happening. This was taken in call options. So the investment for this particular trade was about 22,000, and the gain was around 6,000 rupees per lot, which is like a 25 to 30% ROI on your investment, and that's taken in Deepak Nitrite. This is E2E Networks, which is a cash segment stock, and you can again see 35 to 40% ROI in a matter of like 7 or 8 days, and again we were able to capture that move in the cash segment. This is another trade, JSW Holdings. We got a 79% move. Yes, 79% move in JSW Holdings in a matter of about 2.5 months, right? So that's again the power of how institutional trading and order block trading can really help you, even in swing trading and positional trading. This is another example of NACL Industry. It's a pesticide and agrochemical stock. And from March 2025, you can see over here from 12th March 2025, we captured like a 69.5% move in NACL Industries. Again, that's the power of getting in with the institutions. Cochin Shipyard, Garden Reach Shipbuilding, both of these defense stocks, we were able to capture 37%, 29%, and all done very very recently. These are all the trades that we gave out to our members, through our research and the order block strategy, and on a capital of about 2 lakh rupees that they had invested. Usually, on an overall level, they invested about 2 lakh rupees. If they take one lot, and every trade requires 15 to 20,000 rupees of margin if it's an options trade, 1.5 to 2 lakhs if it's a futures trade, and if it's a commodity trade, 40 to 50,000. For all of you who are asking me what are the margin requirements for this. And if you look at this, right, there are red days also, there are green days also, but we booked 1,13,000, 1,13,000 per lot, right, on a single lot cumulatively. And you will see that there are days where we are losing, but then the winning streak, if you just look at the last few days, if you look at the winning streak, it's just fantastic. So that's the power of this. And for all of those who are asking me where are these trades given, so we do give it to all our members who are part of our membership. And this is for people who are asking about gold, silver, crude oils. I'll just show that to you first. So silver, gold, natural gas, crude oil, the strategy works beautifully in all of those segments, but try to use it in the 15-minute time frame because of the higher volatility. So this is an example of gold mini futures, as you can see. So we took a trade in gold, trailed a stop loss, and captured that particular move. This is a move in silver that we got. Again, before those big red candles, we tried to enter into that. This is another gold mini trade. You can look at the big gap up and the move that we were able to capture. This is another trade in silver. Again, very, very simple trade. And even if you want to look at this from an order block perspective, it's just very simple. This is the body of the last red candle before the big displacement. Displacement happened here, price tapped in. You got another entry. Even after we took the entry, you could have gotten another entry. Another silver trade, and this is like a very clean one, multiple tap-ins to the order block, and we executed our trade, and then we captured this particular move as well. So again, that is also fantastic. This is natural gas. This is gold mini, and this is the Discord server on which you get your usual updates. Another trade in natural gas. Natural gas is very volatile, so I don't usually recommend beginners to kind of trade that. But if you are experienced and if you know how everything works, you can easily do that. This is another example of crude oil in which we kind of took the trade. So for those of you who are constantly asking me where do you get all of this, so I'm just going to explain all the details on how do you get it, how can you trade, and then I will continue with the rest of the case studies because those case studies have a lot of insights for you in terms of execution. So we have StockWiz. I'm just going to be very quick in that because I'm getting so many